YouTube. Welcome back. It's your boy Lou with Lou's Chop Shop, where the grind don't stop. It continues all the way to the top. So today I'm gonna be making what I'm gonna call the bird burger, and these are the ingredients I'm gonna be putting in there. Got some spinach, some rosemary, some carrots, some garlic, onions, thyme, serrano peppers, and some bell peppers. Of course, we gotta add some seasoning, salt and pepper, and things of that nature. But I'm gonna show y'all how to put that thing together and make it taste like something. Alright, y'all, let's get this crack-a-lackin'. So, I got both my meats in the bowl. Drop that spinach on in there. Get that thyme in there. Break it up a little bit. Get that garlic. That rosemary in there. The rest of them in there. Bell peppers. Onions. Carrots. And the peppers, the habanero. Get all that in there. Seems like a lot for a burger, but when I tell you flavor, that's what I mean. So, gonna add a few breadcrumbs in there. That's gonna help hold everything together. Soak up some of the excess liquid from the vegetables. But we're also gonna add a little bit of apple juice and give it a little bit of moisture, of which the meats don't really carry a whole lot of. Got to put some salt and pepper in there. You ain't got that, you got problems. So you got to have the salt and the pepper in there. Flip it around to get some of that good Himalayan salt in there. Gotta compensate a little bit for the veg, so they're gonna soak up some of your salt and pepper. But you don't want to over salt it or over pepper it. Then I always add 1 egg as a binding agent. Now it's time to get messy. A lot of people like to wear gloves. It don't bother me touching the meat, because I'm gonna be the one that's eating it. Get everything all mixed in together. I had about this was probably about a small pack of turkey and a small pack of ground chicken to make this combination come together. I'm gonna add a little bit more breadcrumbs in there. Thicken it up a little bit. Give it that burger-like consistency. Alright, so I found my few more ingredients. I got some smokehouse maple, McCormick, Wrap a little bit of that in there. Get a little bit of that Worcestershire in there. A little bit of honey. This is buckwheat honey. You ain't got to be specifically this. I just add a little bit of honey, give it a little sweetness. Get the sweet tang. I'm also throw a little bit of lemon juice in there for acidity. Then we're gonna form the burgers. Put them in the pan. Get a little bit of this lemon juice. Burger, so that's good consistency. I'm gonna make the patties. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do this. If you happen to have a burger maker, great. Or if you have a mason jar top, that also works, the metal ones. But if you don't have either, you'll form it in your hand and pat it out. It's your choice. Alright, so I got them all made into patties. So y'all can see. I got 12 patties out of that. Each out of the whole 2 packs of meat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook 6 of them, and the other 6 I'm gonna throw in the freezer for another time. So it's gonna be some good food that'll last me for a while. Alright, so I got my pan heating up. I'm gonna use some avocado oil this time. Get these things seared off pretty nicely. I'm gonna do 4 and 2. Let them ride. Got my eye. As I've said before, since this is electric, it takes a little bit to heat up, so I got that eye sitting on high right now. But when the pan get hot, it's hot.